ओके, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं मिडिवल हिस्ट्री। अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस मैप। Khalifa, the uppermost Islamist ruler. Umayyad, a Khalifa, was ruling there in the name of Prophet Muhammad in 19th century EC. The region in green color was under direct rule of Abbasids, Transoxiana, and Khorasan. Orange color part of the map was originally belonged to Turks. Islamic ruler used to hire slaves from Samarkand region, present-day Uzbekistan, and convert them. Her position became ruler. Abbasid Empire disintegrated around 10th century. Independent kingdoms were emerged. Mansur, a formal letter, were issued a Khalifa to salute Sultanate. Ruler to rule over a certain origin. Dynasties that rule Transoxiana and Khorasan region. Samanid dynasty 1819 to 999 AD. Ghaznavids 997 AD to 1186 AD. Seljukids Khwar Khirmich defeated by Genghis Khan in 13th century AD. Ghaznavid Empire. Ghaznavid dynasty. Talp Tigin, a Turk self, was founder of Ghaznavid dynasty. Subuk Gin, successor of Alp Tigin, and Alp Tigin captured Jebulistan and Kabulistan region of Afghanistan from Hindu ruler in the late of 10th century AD. Jayapala of Hindu Shahi dynasty, Peshawar region, was defeated by Subuk Gin. Peshawar was earlier known as Wahind and Abhand. Muhammad of Ghaznavi, successor of Subuktugan, 999 AD, attacked Wahind. Feraista and Utabi were historians of 17th century CE. Kitabul Yamini, written by Udbi. Battle of Peshawar, 1001 AD, between Muhammad of Ghaznavi and Hindu ruler Jayapal. Jayapala got defeated. Jayapala committed suicide called funeral pyres, in which king and his followers accept death. Battle of Wahind or Kutch, 1008 AD, between Muhammad Ghaznavi and Anandapal, son of Jayapal. In this battle, Ghaznavi captured in the fort of Bhimnagar and Nagarkot, present in Pakistan, which marked the entry of Ghaznavid Empire in Lahore, Taxila and Punjab region. Muhammad Ghaznavi could not able to capture Kashmir, where Queen Didda was ruling. Reason behind victory of Turks: Ikta system, excellent breed of horses. Spirit of Ghazi means non-Muslim are Kharif. Let's watch this map. Pala, Chandra, Kamarupa, Kalachuri, Western Chalukya, Chola, Chandels, Solanki, Chauhan, Tomar, Koman, Hindu Shahi, Multan, Ghaznavis. Chauhans of Sukumbari were ruling over Rajasthan region. Solankis were ruling over Gujarat region. Parmaru ruling over Malwa region. Tomars were ruling over Delhi. Chandalas were ruling in Mahoba and Khajuraho region. Expedition of Muhammad of Ghaznavi in India attacked Mathura in 1015 AD, defeated Kakala II of Kalchuri dynasty, who gave strong resistance to Ghaznavi. Ghazani plundered Mathura, attacked Kannauj. Gurjar Pratihar, ruler of Kannauj, Rajyapala gave no resistance to Ghazani and fled away from Kannauj. Rajyapala was replaced by Trilochandapal. Ghazani again attacked in 109 and defeated Trilochandapal of Kannauj. When Ghazani again attacked in 1021 AD, he faced a strong resistance from Chandela ruler Vidyadhar with a strong army. Attack on Somnath Temple 1025. It was 16th attack of Ghazani in India, in which he plundered Somnath Temple of Gujarat. It was his last major expedition outside Punjab. Final attack of Ghazani. Following the Somnath raid, the Jats attacked his returning army, promoting Muhammad to launch a final punitive naval campaign against them in 1027 AD near the Hindu Kush, while returning Khakha tribe attack on Ghazani. Muhammad bin Qasim, first Muslim invasion in India, 712 AD. This invasion took place in Sindh part of India. He came from Arab and killed Raja Dahir, last Hindu ruler of Sindh. He was the first to introduce jizya in Indian subcontinent. Muhammad II Ghazani, second Islamic and first Turk invasion, 99 AD to 1030 AD. Turk come from Turkmenistan. Court language of Turks was Persian. He attacked 17 times, 1001 AD to 1027 AD. The first attack took place in 1001 AD during the rule of Jayapala. Battle of Peshawar was fought between Ghazanvid army and Raja Jayapala. Ghazanvi invaded Somnath in 16th century. Attack 16 attack 1025 AD, and the 17th attack was last attack 1027 attack. Battle of Waihan, a series of conflict between Ghazani and the Hindu ruler. Death 130 AD. Writer during the reign of Muhammad Ghazani. Firdausi wrote Shahnamala. Al-Biruni wrote Tehqiq-e-Hind, also known as Kitabul Hind. Tomar Kingdom of Delhi, Lalkot. Chauhan Dynasty, Ajmer. Bundelkhand, Mahoba. Anand, Anakpal Tomar were ruling over Delhi. Bijra Hara Raja, a Chauhan ruler, captured Chittor and then Delhi from Tomars 1151. He allowed Tomars to rule over Delhi as a feudatoris. Prithviraj II or Prithviraj Chauhan ascended the throne at the age of 11 in 1171 AD. Expedition of Prithviraj Chauhan. Chandel of Khajuraho 1180 AD. Got defeated against Chalukyas of Gujarat 1182 AD. Gahad Wal Rajput ruler of Kannauj were river of Prithviraj Chauhan. Muhammad Ghori, third Islamic and second Turk invasion, 1175 AD to 1206 AD. Persian name Mawj-ul-Din Muhammad ibn Sam. His first attack took place in 1175 AD in Multan and 1178 AD in Gujarat, where he was defeated by Mulay Raja II, Bhima II and their mother Naiki Devi. Ghori attacked Delhi, which was then ruled by Prithviraj Chauhan. He was the younger brother of Ghiyasuddin Muhammad in Ghorid Empire. He conquered Peshawar from Ghaznavid Empire. Then ruler of Ghaznavid Empire was Khusru Malik. Captured Tabar Hinda fort of Batinda in 1191 but later got defeated by Prithviraj Chauhan and battle in Torain. Battle of Torain. Battle of Prithviraj and Gauri. First Battle of Torain 1191 AD on Prithviraj Chauhan Titiyo or Prithviraj Chauhan. Second Battle of Torain 1192 AD won by Gauri, but Prithviraj was allowed to rule over Ajmer. Kutubuddin Aibak, commander of Gauri, helped Gauri in second battle of Tarain, and Aibak was allowed to rule over Hisar and Sirsa region. Slaves of Gauri, Kutubuddin Aibak, Yalduj, Kabacha, Bakhtiar Khilji. He destroyed Nalanda University. Jaichand is said to have invited Muhammad Ghori to attack Prithviraj Chauhan. Writer in Prithviraj Court, Chand Bardai. He wrote Prithviraj Raso. According to this epic poem, daughter of Jaichand, king of Gahadavhala, Sanyaglata Sanyagita was married to Prithviraj Chauhan. Chand Bardai wrote Prithviraj Raso in Barj language in 12th century. Battle of Chandavar 1191 AD. This battle was fought between Gauri and Raja Jaichand, where Gauri won the battle. Following this battle, Gauri conquered Kannauj in 1198 and captured fort of Asani. Delhi Sultanate. Understanding the base. Muhammad Ghori was killed by Kokkar tribe in 1206. Yalduj, slave of Ghori, took over Ghazni, Multan, and Uch region was administered by Kawacha, slave of Gauri. Lahore was under the rule of Kutubuddin Aibak. Khewa Rajmian Empire. Mongols. How Iltutmish saved Delhi Sultanate from wrath of Genghis Khan. The Mongols pursued in 1211 AD. Genghis Khan defeated the last Khwaj Rajmian Shah Jalaluddin Ming Burno on the banks of the Indus River. A plea for asylum, Jalaluddin fled to the Punjab region, which bordered Iltutmish Delhi Sultanate, and sent an envoy to Iltutmish to seek asylum and an alliance against Mongols. Iltutmish diplomatically refused to grant asylum to Jalaluddin, sending an excuse that climate and local conditions were not suitable for their princess. Avoiding provocation by not offering support to Genghis Khan's enemy, Iltutmish averted a direct confrontation with the Mongol army. Bakhtiar Khilji was not slave of Gauri but came with him, region ruled by Bakhtiar Khilji. Initially, he taken governmentship under Rajput rulers. Gradually, he consolidated his power in the region, destroyed Nalanda and Vikramshila University, conqueror Odantpur Fort, a Buddhist Vihara of Bihar in 1193 CE, occupied Loknayakti region in Bengal in 1204 CE. During Assam expedition to occupy Tibet, Bakhtiar Khilji was assisted by his own military general Ali Murdan Khan on the bank of Bagmati River in 1205 or 1206. After Ali Murdan, Ghiyasuddin Iwaj succeeded the throne, who accepted suzerainty of Iltutmish. Malik Jani appointed as governor of Bihar by Iltutmish. Finally, in 1227, Nasaruddin Muhammad son of Iltutmish, invaded Bengal and Bihar by defeating Ghiyasuddin Iwaj. Delhi Sultanate dynasty. First Slave dynasty. Mumluk dynasty. Time period 1206 to 1209 AD. Second Khilji dynasty. Time period 1290 AD to 1320 AD. Tughlaq dynasty. Time period 1320 AD to 1414 AD. Sayyid dynasty. Time period 1414 AD to 1451 AD. Lodi dynasty. Time period 1451 AD to 1526 AD. Trick to remember this dynasty. सब खतरनाक थे सारे लोग. सब खतरनाक थे सारे लोग. Slave dynasty. 1206 AD to 1290 AD. This dynasty is also known as Mumluk dynasty. The rulers belong to Ibari tribe. Shamsi tribe, ruler of Slave dynasty. Qutbuddin Aibak, Aram Shah, Iltutmish, Rukuddin Firoz, Rizia al-Din या Rizia Sultana, Mujuk Uddin Behram, Alauddin Masad, Nasiruddin Mahmud, Ghiyasuddin Balban, Muizuddin Muhammad Ghazabat. Qutbuddin Aibak, 1206 AD to 1210 AD. He ruled from Lahore. It was the capital city. He was given the title of Lakh Bakhsh, the giver of lakhs. Death 1210 AD while playing Chaugan, now known as polo. Aibak had two daughters. One was married to Iltutmish and another was married to Qabacha. Architecture construction constructed by him. Mosque Quwat ul Islam at Delhi and Arai Ka Jhopra at Ajmer. He also began construction of Qutub Minar. He was only able to complete the construction of basement in honor of Sufi saint Khwaja Qutbuddin Bakhtiar Kaki. Qutub Minar, added UNESCO's World Heritage Site in 1993. It was an Indo-Islamic structure having 5-storied 73 m or 72.5 meter high. Qutbuddin Aibak laid foundation. Iltutmish added 3 more stories to it. Firoz Shah Tughlaq repaired and built the top story. Carbon arc design. Quwat ul Islam. It is made in कोरल आर्क टेक्निक. आधा दिन का झोपड़ा. शमसुद्दीन इल्तुतमिश 1211 AD to 1236 AD. He was son-in-law of Qutbuddin and was governor of Badan, present in UP. He defeated Aram Shah in 1211 CE and ascended the throne. He shifted his capital from Lahore to Delhi. He saved Delhi Sultanate from wrath of Genghis Khan. Genghis also attacked Transoxiana region in 1219 AD. He died in 1220 AD. Nizamul Mulk. Junadi was his wazir, prime minister. He patronized success scholars like Minhaj-i-Siraj, wrote Tabaqat-i-Nasri. He set up official nobility of 40 loyal slaves known as Chahalgani. These were Turkish slaves. He introduced silver coin, tanka, and copper coin, jital. He introduced the Ikta system. Under this part of land was given to military commander known as Iqtadar ya Mukti. He built house Shamsi, silver tanka, copper jital. Rajia Sultana 1236 AD to 1240 AD. She was daughter of Iltutmish. She was the first and only woman ruler of Delhi Sultanate. Altunia, governor of Bathinda, refused to accept suzerainty of Rajia, Sultan Rajia and Yaqut, and Ethiopian slave march against Altunia. Altunia murdered Yukut and made Amir-i-Yukus means superintendent of stable and impris- impris- imprisoned Raja in Kuala Mubarak of Bathinda. Later, Altunia and Rajia got married. In 1240 AD, Raja and Altunia became the victim of conspiracy by Kokka tribe and were assassinated near Kaithal, Haryana. Minhaj-i-Siraj. In this book, Tabqat Nasiri writes the king was entirely slapped by dissipation and debauchery that Rajia was more able to qualify than her brothers. Ghiyasuddin Balban 1266 AD to 1287 AD. He was earlier a naib under Nasiruddin Muhammad and later became wazir. He broke the power of Chalisa, abolished Chehelgani system and restored the prestige of crown. He established the military department, Diwani Arch, title taken Jille Ilahi, Shade of Allah, and Ulugu Khan. Balban considered himself as a descendant of Afrosiyab, original name Bahauddin. Hindustani and Hindus never attained his high position during his reign. He introduced Sijda, prostration before the monarchy, and Paibas, kissing the feet of monarch, as the normal form of sultanation. He started blood and iron policy. He started Nowraj, Iranian or Parsi New Year in Delhi Sultanate. Tagril Beg, the governor of Bengal, Lakhnauti, under Sultan Balban, revolted against him and declared himself as an independent ruler of Bengal in 1279. Later, Balban assassinated Tugril Beg with the help of his son Bagra Khan. Kakabad 1287 AD to 1219 AD. He was the last ruler of Slave dynasty and grandson of Balban, important officer during Slave dynasty. Wazir, prime minister, looked after finance department. Amil, collected revenge. Amir, governor of Paragana. Naib, in charge of all other departments except finance. Mufti, Wali, Iqtadar, they hold Iqta. Mustafi, Auditor General, buried spices. Khwaja या Musraf, accountant. Iqta system. Large land areas Iqtas were granted to nobles or soldier Iqtadars in the exchange for military service, revenue collection and local administration, essentially functioning as temporary, transferable revenue assessment rather than hereditary land grants. Khilji dynasty, time period 1290 to 1320 AD. Founder Jalaluddin Khilji, 1290 to 1296 AD. Ruler of Khilji dynasty, Jalaluddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji. Khiljis were Turks but not belong to Ibari tribe or Shamsi tribe. Jalaluddin was very lenient ruler and allowed Hindus and non-Turks to attain high position. Alauddin Khilji, 1296 AD to 1316 AD. He was the nephew and son-in-law of Jalaluddin Khilji. He reversed the policies of Jalaluddin. Real name Ali Gursabs. Nasrut Khan was the brother of Alauddin. He held the title Amiri Tujuk, Master of Ceremonies, during the reign of Alauddin Khilji. He abolished Iqta system in Delhi Sultanate. Alauddin's expedition, Gujarat, 1298 AD, appointed Ulugh and Nusrat Khan except Alwara, defeated Rai Karan, Bhagala, king of Gujarat, and put his wife to haram. Ranthambore, 1301 AD. Then King Hamirdev Chauhan. Evidence of first Johar found during this time. Mewar, 1303 AD. Capital Chittor. King Ratan Singh and Goliath ruler. Malwa, 1305 AD. Jalore, 1311 AD. Alauddin in descent. Alauddin army was led by Malik Kafur. He was a eunuch. Alauddin bought him from Gujarat. Market at 1,000 dinar. Hence, Malik Kafur is also known as Hajar Dinari. He defeated the following ruler: Ramachandra, Yadava dynasty ruler of Devagiri, 1308 AD. Bhira Balala III, Balavadeva Haisala dynasty ruler of Dwara Samudra, 1309 AD. Pratapruda Deva, Kakatiya dynasty ruler of Warangal, 1311 AD. Bhira Pandya, Pandya dynasty ruler of Madurai, 1311 AD. Malik Kafur became Malik Nayab, personal representative of Sultan, after this victory. Title taken by Alauddin after descent expedition: Sikandar-e Sani, second Sikandar. Khilaat and Chatra was given to Ramchandra by Alauddin. Chittor, Somnath, Devgiri, Warangal, Kora, Dwarsadan, Madurai, Channor. Court poet of Khusru. Court poet Khusru. Alauddin conferred the title of Tuti-i-Hind, Parrot of India, to Khusru, his favorite court poet. He started Qawwali in India. He was invented tabla and sitar. Khusru gave Sultan-e-Jahan title to Khilji. He was first to mention Jauhar in Persian. Khazain-ul-Fotaha, his famous book Tughlaq Nama and Nus-e-Sifir. Islamic was writer who was contemporary of Alauddin Barauni, who wrote Fatwa-e-Jahangiri and Tariq-e-Firoz Shahi. Administrative reform introduced by Alauddin. Dab, the branding of horse, and Chera, also known as Hulia, for identification of his soldiers. Impose heavy taxes, order all lands to be measured by a special officer. Mustaq Raj, one who collected the revenue. The share of state was taken fixed based on this measurement. Taxes imposed: Jizya, levied on non-Muslims, and Zakat, levied on Muslims. He introduced three new taxes: Garai, house taxes; Cherai, a tax levied on use of grasslands for grazing animals; and Kharaj, a land tax imposed on peasants amounting to 50% of their produce. Alauddin started the system of cash payment, Nagdi, to soldier. Alauddin formed a series of regulations to weaken the power of nobles, weaken the power of intermediaries like Rana and Rawats of Rajput ruler, weaken the power of village head called Mukaddin and or Chaudhry, Paragana Sikh called Kat by Barani, and Jamindar by Khusru. Land revenue, half of the agriculture producer. Musta Sharif, collect areas. Amil, collector. Gumasas, agent. Nayab, deputy sultan. Wazir, prime minister. Three markets set up by Alauddin for: 1. Food grains, costly clothes, Sarai-e-Adil, free horses, slaves, bandagan, and kettles. He fixed the price of all the products. Each market was under control. Sehna, high officer who maintained a register of the merchant, shopkeeper, and the prices officer appointed to control grain market. Sahani Mandi, dirham or dam were used as currency. Network of spices. Intelligence officers started by Alauddin were Munahiyas and Barid. All products were brought to market by Janjaras. Susna were appointed to look after Banjaras. Agricultural reform of Alauddin started land measurement in units of Bigha and Beswa. 1 Bigha 20 Biswa. Started land classification, confiscation like Waqf and converted them to agricultural and land. Villages were brought under Khalisa, land not covered under Ikta. Also, Duab region was brought under Khalisa. Alauddin established the city Siri, which was second of the 7 cities of Delhi. First city of Delhi, Kila Rai Pithora, established by Tomar dynasty. Tomb of Alauddin in Delhi. Tomb of Alauddin. Angapala founded the Tomara dynasty. Delhi first became the capital under their rule only. Some facts related to Alauddin. He was patron of art and learning. In 1316, Malik Kafur called Hajar Dinari seized the throne after Alauddin's death. Alauddin had two sons, Mubarak 1316 to 20 AD and Omar. Mubarak killed Malik Kafur and Omar later. Khusru Khan 1320 AD killed Mubarak and ascended the throne. Ranthambore Fort. Victory Tower, Vijay Stambh, dedicated to Lord Vishnu, built after victory over Malwa and Gujarat. It is 9th stored building. UNESCO's Heritage Site, 2013. Chittigarh Fort, built by King Chitrangada Mori, also known as Chitrangada, of the Maurya dynasty, and later reconstructed by Rana Khamba. Architecture built by Alauddin. Alai Fort. Hauj Khas Tank. Hajar Sultan, Palace of Thousand Pillar. Sultan, Hajar Sultan. Alai Darwaja, entrance of Qutub Minar, built of red sandstone. Delhi Sultanate, Part 2. Tughlaq Dynasty, 1320 to 1414 AD. Tughlaq Dynasty, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, 1320 to 1325 AD. Originally known as Ghazi Malik, he killed Khusru Khan, the last king of Khilji dynasty, and took the title Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Construction. He built the city of Tughlaqabad, third city of Delhi, and the Tughlaqabad fort. Death. He died in an accident and was succeeded by his son Jana, Ulugh Khan, who assumed the title Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, 1325 to 1351. Identity. His original name was Jana. He is also known as wisest fool. Empire. He had largest kingdom of all. Religious visit. He was the first sultan to visit tomb of Muhyiddin Chishti, Ajmer. Appointment. He appointed people from various background to high position. Aziz Khomur, wine distiller. Firoz Hajjam, barber. Manka Tabak, cook. Lodha and Pira, gardener. Key experiment and event. Taxation in Doab. 1326. Transfer of capital. 1327. From Delhi to Daulatabad, Devgiri. Token currency. 1329. Introduced bronze currency with high value. Khorasan expedition. 1329. Proposed but not executed. Karachil expedition. 1330. सारा का सारा fail. Before gave Sondhar loan, cash in exchange of gold, and Takabi loan. Set up an agricultural debt called Diwani Khohi. Architecture. Build the city of Jahanpana, fourth city of Delhi, and Begumpuri Mosque. Build the mosque, mausoleum, Maqbara of Nijamuddin Aulia in Delhi. Literacy, literary source. Ibn Battuta, a traveler from Morocco who wrote Rihla. Ziauddin Berani, writer during his reign who wrote Tariq-i-Firuzshahi and Fatwa-i-Jahangiri. Postal system. Describe the Ibn Battuta. Ibak, horse, poet. Post. Station were kept at distance of 4 miles. Dawa, foot post. There were 3 stations per mile. Bell, the foot runner carried a bell to announce their arrival. Firoz Shah Tughlaq, 1351 to 1388 AD. Military policy. Soldiers were not paid in such case but by assignment on hard land revenue. A village called Bejaha. The Iqta system was made hereditary. Ulema, a religious officer. Sosaibak, he was the first sultan to start translation of Hindu religious texts into Persian. Established a hospital at Delhi, Darul Sifa. Created a new department, Diwan-e Khairat, for the marriage of poor girls. Taxation based on Quran. Kharaj, land tax, 1/10 the produce. Zakat, 2% tax on property. Jizya, lived on non-Muslim, it became separated tax during his time. Khams, 1/5 booty captured during war. Irrigation tax, he repaired canals and imposed Haq-e-Sarb, irrigation tax, and Hasil-e-Sarb, water tax. Construction, built cities, Fatehpur, Hisar, Janpur, named after Jana MBT, and Firozabad, 15th city of Delhi, built the 15th story of Qutub Minar. Personal facts and coronation. Autobiography. He wrote his own book, autobiography titled Fatuhat-e-Firoz Shahi. Coronation. Rajyabhishek took place at Takta, Sindh, Pakistan on 1351. Succession and end of Tughlaq. Khan-e-Jahan Mughal was powerful Wazir of FST. After him, his son Khan-e-Jahan দ্বিতীয় became Wazir but faced conflicts with Prince Muhammad. Nasiruddin Muhammad Shah became Sultan. Sayyid dynasty 1414 to 1451 AD. Taimur invasion 1398. Taimur invaded during the reign of Muhammad Shah Tughlaq. Nasiruddin Muhammad Shah, last ruler of Tughlaq. After defeating the Delhi army, Taimur appointed Khizr Khan as a ruler of Multan. Death. Taimur died in 1405 AD while his son was the conqueror China. Khizr Khan 1414 to 14 21. He defeated Sultan Daulat Khan, occupied Delhi, and founded Sayyid dynasty. Title Riyat-e-Ala. The Sayyid were known as Kula Daran, Cape warriors. Origin in Tariq-e-Mubarak Shahi. Yahya bin Muhammad Sirindi tells that Sayyidi were descendants of Prophet Muhammad. Lodi dynasty 1451 to 1526 AD. Lodi Soran Afghan origin. Founder Bahlal Lodi 1451 AD to 1489 AD. Sikandar Lodi 1489 to 1517. He was also known as Najim Shah. He founded Agra in 1504 and shifted the capital from Delhi to Agra 1506. Introduced Sikandar's yard of 32 digital for measuring cultivated fields. He was poet and composed poems in Persia under the pen name Gulrukhi. Gave orders to build Mauth Ki Masjid, double dome structure in Delhi. Double dome structure. Ibrahim Lodi 1517 to 1526. He fought the Battle of Panipat 1526 with Babar. Babar was invaded by Daulat Khan. Central administration department function associated ruler. Diwani Wazarat Department of Finance. Diwani Arch Military Department Balban. Diwani Insa Department of Correspondence. Diwan-e-Risalat Department of Appeals. Diwani Mustaq Raj Department of Areas Alauddin Khilji. Diwani Riyasat Department of Commerce Alauddin Khilji. Diwani Khohi Department of Agriculture Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Diwani Bandagaon Department of Slaves Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Diwani Khaira Department of Charity Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Diwani Istaq Department of Persian Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Vijayanagar Empire and Bahmani Kingdom. Vijayanagar Empire 1336 to 1565 AD. Bahmani Kingdom and Vijayanagar Kingdom. Introduction of and location. The meaning of Vijayanagar, city of victory, capital Hampi. The name is derived from the local mother goddess Rappa Devi. Location. The capital Hampi is situated on the banks of the Tungabhadra river in the Deccan Plateau, specifically south of Krishna river. Discovery. The ruins of Hampi were brought to light in 18,000 by Colin Mackenzie, the first surveyor general of India. Hampi was declared as UNESCO's World Heritage Site in 1986. Photography and conservation. Alexander Greenlow took the first detailed photographs of archaeological remains. John Marshall began the conservation of the archaeological remains. Contemporary names. Contemporary describe the empire of Karnataka Samrajyamu. Early rulers called themselves Hindu Suratrana, Hindu sultans. The king of Vijayanagar were known as Raya. Local communities of merchants were known as Khudirai Chittis. Muhammad bin Tughlaq was the ruler of Delhi Sultanate when this empire was established. Title of ruler in the region. Vijayanagar ruler were also known as Narapati, Lord of Men. The ruler of Odisha called Gajapati, Lord of Elephants. The Sultan of Deccan called Ashwapati, Lord of Heroes. Dynasty of Vijayanagar Empire. Vijayanagar Empire was ruled by four department dynasty. Dynasty period. Founder Sangama 1336 to 1485. Harihar and Bukka. Saluba 1485 to 1505. Saluba Narsimha. Tuluba 1505 to 1570. Bhir Narsimha and Narasa Nayaka. Arabidu 1570 to 1650. Tirumala. Sangama dynasty 1336 to 1485 AD. Founder Harihara Pratham and Bukka, son of Sangama. They founded the Sangama dynasty. Background: they were originally peditories of the Kakatiyas of Warangal and later minister in the court of Kampili. Title: Harihara Pratham took the title Karnataka Vidya Vilas. Remaining Bukka is credited with remaining the city from Vijayanagar to Vijayanagara. Devaraya Pratham and Devaraya Ditya succeeded Harihara and Bukka. Devaraya Pratham 1404 to 1422. Causes of war. The conflict between the Vijayanagar and Bahmani kingdoms mainly revolved around the three strategic regions. Raicha Dwar, the fertile land between the Krishna and Tungabhadra rivers. Krishna Godavari Delta, important for its ports and fertility. Marathwada, a consistent region. Conflicts with Bahmani kingdom. Initial defeated Devaraya Pratham was initially defeated by Firoz Shah Bahmani. Treaty. As part of the peace treaty, Devaraya Pratham gave his daughter in marriage to Firoz Shah. He also lost territory of Bankapur as dowry. Successive victory. In a subsequent battle, Devaraya Pratham successfully defeated Firoz Shah Bahmani. Introduction. Infrastructure. Hiria Canal. The Hiria Canal was defeated during his reign. Function. It drew water from Tungabhadra river and irrigated the valley, supplying water to the secret center and urban core. Devaraya Ditya 1425 to 1446. Military campaign 1443 AD. In 1443, he crossed the Tungabhadra river to try and recover Mudgal and Bankapur region south of Krishna river. Farnau Nunij, a patroness traveler who visited the 16th century, recorded the grandeur of the empire. He noted there the king of Ceylon, Sri Lanka, Pulikat, Pegu, and Tensariram paid tribute to Devaraya Ditya. Infrastructure. Kamalapuram tank. This tank was built to support the city water needs. Function. It was used for field irrigation and to channel water specifically to the royal center. Saluba dynasty 1485 to 1505 AD. Saluba Narsimha, founder of the Saluba dynasty. Taluba dynasty 1505 to 1570 AD. Veera Narsimha, founder of the Taluba dynasty. Krishna Devaraya 1505 to 1529 AD. As Kansan, he was placed on the throne by Sarvasimha, the chief minister of Veera Narsimha. Greatest ruler, considered the greatest king of the Vijayanagar Empire. Military architecture. Defeated the ruler of Odisha, Gajapatis, in his early days. Defeated Ismail Adil Shah Bijapur and restored the Raichar Doab region between Krishna and Tungabhadra in 1520. Amar Nayakas. During his reign, Amar Nayakas, military commander, flourished. Title: Yabha Na Raja Istapna Charaya. Restored the Yavana Vidor kingdom. Abhyanabha Bhoja. Andhra Pitamgaha. Andhra Pratimaha, grandfather of Andhra. Architecture and cities. Built Vijay Mahal, House of Victory, Hajara Rama Temple and Vittar Swami Temple dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Founded a Subardhan suburban township named Nagalapuram after his mother, allowed the Portuguese governor Albuquerque to build a fort at Bhatkal. Literature. He was a gifted scholar in Telugu and Sanskrit. Among Laida, Telugu work on statecraft, Jambavati Kalyanam, Sanskrit drama. Court. His court was adorned by the Asthadigagas, eight great poets. Tenali Ramakrishna, Nandi Timana, Madhyaya Gari Malana, Pingali Surana, Alasani Pedana, Ayya Laraju Rama Bhadradu, Durgati, Ramaraja Bhusan Nudu. Decline of the empire. Succession. After the death of Krishna Devaraya, his brother Achyuta Devaraya ascended the throne. Rise of Aliya Rama Raya. Upon Achyuta's death in 1542, his nephew Sadasiva Raya was appointed emperor. However, the real power lay by the hand of Aliya Rama Raya, Krishna Devaraya's son-in-law. He acted as caretaker regent. Battle of Talikota, 1565. Other name also known as Battle of Raksahi Tangadi or the Battle of Banihatti. Cause. Alaya Rama Raya. Excessive interference in the internal affair of the Deccan Sultanates led them to form a alliance against him. The alliance, a combined army of Bijapur, Ahmednagar and Gondwana attacked and ransacked the Vijayanagar Empire. Result. The magnificent city of Vijayanagar was destroyed and looted. Aftermath and shift of capital. Following the defeat, the empire did not vanish completely but continued to rule in a very small part of its former territory. The capital was shifted Penukonda and later to Chandragiri to survive the attacks. Last ruler was Sri Ranga Titya, Arabidu dynasty. Administration and economy. Iyengar system. Each village was an independent unit for rural administration. 14 officers, Iyagaras, were appointed to manage village operation. Administrative hierarchy. Rajya, province. Mandalam, Sthala, Grama village. Amara Nayaka system. Amara Nayaka were military commanders who were given territories to govern. This system flourished under Krishna Devaraya. The term Amaram refers to the land given to them. Foreigner traveler. Many foreigner travelers visited Vijayanagar and documented its glory. Traveler during the region of the country. Ibn Battuta, Harihara and Bukka, Morocco. Niccolo de Conti, Devaraya Pratham, Italy. Abdul Razzaq, Devaraya Dityo, Persia. Duarte Barbosa, Krishna Devaraya, Portugal. Domingo Pius, Krishna Devaraya, Portugal. Fernão Nunes, Achyuta Devaraya, Portugal. Nikitin Bahmani period, Russia. Architecture and city planning. The capital was divided into distinct zones. Royal Center, located in the southwest to Tungabhadra River, where all kings used to reside. It had over 60 temples and 30 palaces. Secret Center, located in North Continent Temple. Urban core, residential area and general population. Royal Center, Lotus Mahal, council chamber where king and his advisor meet. Elephant stable, possibly built by Krishna Devaraya. Hajara Rama Temple, Mahanavani Dibba. It was spread across 11 square feet, height 40 feet. It was considered as a large platform which was used for royal ceremonies. Walls have relief and carvings on it. Secret Center, Vittal Swami Temple, dedicated to Lord Vishnu Vittal. Famous feature, the stone carried, found here, is depicted on 50 rupees 50 Indian currency note. Virupaksha Temple, Yahampi, dedicated to Lord Virupaksha, an avatar of Shiva. Legend, goddess Pampa Devi performed penance here to marry Lord Virupaksha. Construction, the main hall was built by Lakhan Dandesa. The Gurudam Gateway Tower was built by Krishnadeva Raya. Fortification and water works. According to Persian traveler Abdul Razak, there were 7 levels of fortification not just in the city but also agricultural fields and forests in the Vijayanagar Empire. Pravida system of architecture was introduced by Vijayanagar ruler. Kamalapuram tank, Anantaraj Sagar tank, Harihara canal were also built by Vijayanagar Empire. Bahmani Kingdom 1347 to 1527 AD. Location, ruled by the northern Deccan, north of the Krishna River. Administration, the kingdom was divided into 4 administrative units called Taraf, provinces: Gulbarga, Bidar, Beriyar, Daulatabad. Alauddin Hassan Bahmani Saha 1347-1358 founded Bahmani Kingdom, also known as Hassan Gangu. Capital, Gulbarga, first capital. Lineage, claimed descent from the Iranian hero Isfandiar. Conquest, he defeated the Kakatiyas of Warangal. Tajuddin Firoz Shah 1397 AD to 1422 AD, also known as Firoz Shah Bahmani. Wars, he fought against Vijayanagar Devaraya Pratham on initially and married Devaraya's daughter, where he was defeated in the battles. Ahmad Shah Wali 1422 AD to 1435 AD. Capital shift, he shifted the capital from Gulbarga to Bidor. Associated with Sufishan Gesu Daraj. Muhammad Gawan, a trader. Role, he was a powerful Peshwa, prime minister and trader. Ports captured, he captured Chawal and Dabhal ports from the Vijayanagar Empire. Title, Khaja-e-Jahan, Malik ut Tajur, chief of merchants of Humayun Shah. Conquest, he conquered Vijayanagar territories up to Kanchi and reached port of Goa, Dahabahal. Humayun Shah, Gawan served under Humayun Shah, a ruler known for his cruelty, given the title Jalim. Traders during Bahmani Kingdom, they were also known as Amirs and were of 2 types. Provided military support to Bahmani king ruler. Afaqui Pardesi, Sunni Muslim from Iran and Iraq. Dikani, local Shia Muslim. Khalisa land reserved to run the expenses of king and royal household. Tarhabdar, the governor of a province responsible for collective revenue. Disintegration of Bahmani Kingdom. By the late 15th century, Bahmani Kingdom broke up into 5 independent sultanate. Kingdom founder dynasty: Beror, Fatahullah Umid al-Mulk, Imad Shahi. Bijapur, Yusuf Adil Shah, Ahmednagar, Malik Ahmed. Najim Shahi, Golconda, Gwali Qutub Shahi, Bidar, Amir Ali Barid, Barid Shahi, Muhammad Adil Shahi dynasty. Belong Adil Shahi dynasty, he introduced Dakkani as a court language in the place of Persian. Gol Gamoj was built by Adil Shah. It is famous for wayfaring gallery and architectural is designed by Yaqut of Badal. It is second largest dome in the world. Gul Gumbaj is located in Vijayapura, earlier called Bijapur, Karnataka. Kwali Qutub Shah, he is first ruler of Qutub Shahi dynasty. The famous Golconda fort was first built by Kakatiya dynasty and was later fortified by Qutub Shahi ruler. Golconda is famous for diamond mines. He founded the city of Hyderabad, originally known as Bhagyanagar, after Bhagmati and local dancing girls with whom Sultan had fallen in love. He also built famous Charminar. Golconda Fort. Charminar. Mughal Empire Part 1. Mughal Empire. Babur 1526 to 1530 AD. Name Jahiruddin Muhammad Babur. Title Padshah. Padshah. Assumed in 1507 AD at Kabul. Origin, he was from Uzbekistan, Central Asia. Lineage, he had blood of two great conquerors. Father side descent of Taimur and mother side descendant of Genghis Khan, Mongol. Early life and conquest. Early life and conquest. Accession, he became the ruler of Fargana in 1498 AD at the age of 12. Struggle, he was forced to leave his ancestral throne due to invasion of the Uzbeks. Kabul, he conquered Kabul in 1504 AD. Early into India, Daulat Khan Lodi invited Babur to India and fought against Ibrahim Lodi. Before Panipat, Babur conquered Babur and Behra in 1519. This was the first time he used gunpowder in his region. The Mughal Empire. Military strategy. Babur was first to use gunpowder massively in Indian warfare. Military strategy. Tulugma formation. His specific war strategy used in Panipat. It involved dividing the army into Harawal center, Bhangyad, Jaranghar left wing, and Barangar right wing. Talgama flanking unit to encircle the enemy. Major Battle of India. First Battle of Panipat, 21 April 1526 AD. Defeated Ibrahim Lodi. This victory laid the foundation of Mughal dynasty. Battle of Khanwa 1527. Defeated Rana Sanga of Mewar. Babur assumed the title Ghazi after this victory. Battle of Chanderi 1528. Defeated Medini Rai of Chanderi. Battle of Ghagra 1529. Defeated Afghans led by Muhammad Lodi. Death and burial. Death 1530 AD in Agra. Tomb initially buried in Agra, Arambagh, but his remains were later moved Kabul, Afghanistan. Literature. Autobiography. Tujuki Babri written in Turkish. Baburnama. Translation. In Persian, named Baburnama, translated by Abdur Rahim Khani Khana. In English, translated by Madam Beveridge. Architecture. Kabuli Bagh Mosque in Panipat. Arambagh in Agra. Humayun 1530 to 1540 AD and 1555 to 1556 AD. Lineage, eldest son of Babur. Reason: he had a broken reason ruled in two parts. Challenges and brothers. Ascending the throne 1530 AD. He faced challenges his brother Kamran, Hindal, and Askari, and the Afghans. Kamran controlled Afghanistan and Punjab region. Rani Karnavati of Mewar sent a Rakhi to Humayun seeking protection against Bahadur Shah of Gujarat. Battle against Sir Shah Suri. Battle of Chausa 1539 AD. Defeated the Sher Shah Suri Afghani ruler. Battle of Kannauj Birgarh 1540 AD. Completely defeated the Sher Shah Suri. Fixile return. After the death in 1540, Humayun took refuge in the Safavid dynasty Iran. He regained his empire in 1555 AD after the death of the Sher Shah Suri. Death and legacy. Death. He died in 1556. Death after falling from the stairs of his library. City. Built Din Panha in Delhi as his second capital. Biography. Humayun Nama was written by his sister Gulbagan Begum. Humayun's tomb. Location New Delhi. Built by his widow Bega Begum, also known as Haji Begum. Architecture. The architecture was Mirza Gyanit. Architecture significance. Humayun's tomb was first monumental building in India built in the Charbagh architecture style, where garden is divided into four parts. Note: Mughals introduced Charbagh style in India. Sher Shah Suri 1540 AD 1545 AD. Original name Farid Khan. Father Hassan Khan, the Jagirdar of Sasaram, Bihar. Jogir. Ibrahim Lodi had transferred his father's Jagir to Farid. Raised the power. 1539 Battle of Chausa. Defeat Humayun and assumed the title Sher Shah. 1540 Battle of Kannauj. Defeated Humayun region and annexed Kannauj, Delhi. Administrative reform. Currency introduced the rupiah silver coin. Standard fixed standard weight and measure across the empire. Land revenue. Land was measured accurately. Tax was fixed at 1/3 of the average produce. Documents introduced patta, title, deed, and qabiliyat, agreement deed to define peasant right and taxes. Direct control. Remove jamindaris in many areas to collect tax directly. Infrastructure. Grand Trunk Road (GT Road) from Bengal to Kabul. Built the Grand Trunk Road connecting Chittagong, Bangladesh to Peshawar. Sarai. Built shelters along the road for travelers to provide food and water and lodging. Architecture. Purana Kila, Old Fort, built in Delhi. His tomb is located in Sasaram, Bihar. Death. Succession. Death in 1545 during the conquest of Kalinga. Death due to gunpowder explosion. Successor. After his death, his son Jalan Khan ruled. Took the title Islam Shah Suri. Purana Kila. Mughal Empire Part 2. Mughal Empire. Akbar 1556 to 1605 AD. Introduction and accession. Significant. One of the greatest ruler of the Mughal dynasty. Full name Abu A Fatah Jalal Uddin Muhammad Akbar. Present percentage eldest son of Humayun. Coronation. Ascending the throne at the age of 13 at Kalanpur, Punjab. Reason. Bairam Khan, his tutor, managed the empire initially. Military architecture. Second Battle of Panipat, 1556. Fought between Akbar, led by Ibrahim Khan, and Hemu Vikramaditya, the Hindu general Wazir of Muhammad Shah Adil. Result: Hemu was defeated, captured, and slain. Conquest of Gujarat, 1573. To commemorate this victory, Akbar built the Buland Darwaza at Fatehpur Sikri. Battle of Haldighati, 1576. Combatant: Maharana Pratap, ruler of Mewar, capital Chittor, versus Mughal army led by Raja Man Singh of Amer. Rana Pratap and his son Amir Singh did not recognize Mughal supremacy. Rana Pratap never surrendered. Last expedition, 1601. Akbar defeated Sultan Mirad Bahadur Shah, ruler of Khandesh. He carried out his last expedition against the fort of Asirgarh in Khandesh. Revolt. During this time, his son Jahangir revolted against him. Death: Akbar died 1605 and he is buried in Sikandra, Agra. Rajput policy and relation. Policy: Akbar tried to win over Rajputs through matrimony and high position. They were introduced into Mughal service, treated on par with Mughal nobility. Matrimonial alliance. Married Harkabai, daughter of Raja Barmal, Kachawaha Rajput, ruler of Ajmer. Title: She was honored with the title Mariam Uj Jamini after giving the birth to Prince Salim Jahangir. Religious reform. Ibakat Khana established a house of worship for religious discussion. Sul-e-Kul introduced the policy of universal peace or religious tolerance. Din-e-Illahi, 1581, a new syncretic religion code of conduct proclaimed by Akbar. It synthesized volume from Islam, Hinduism, Jainism, Christianity, and Judaism. Note: Birbal was the only Hindu to follow this religion. Failure: it was not successful as mass religion and failed after Akbar's death. Insan-e-Kamil, the perfect man. Abul Fazl described Akbar on Insan-e-Kamil, perfect man. Administration and land revenue. Mansabdari system started 1571. Mansab means rank or position. It determined status, salary, and tamber of soldier to be maintained. Structure. Jat represented personal rank. Sawar represent the number of cavalry horsemen. Nature of post. Mansabdari system was not hereditary. Grading. Lowest rank was 10, highest was 5,000. Later rise to 7,000 to 10,000 for princes. Payment paid to cash or jagirs. Land assignment with revenue harads. Military commanders known as Faujdaris. Raja Man Singh. Key fact: Raja Man Singh held a mansab of 7,000 Sapat Hazari. Land revenue system. System was Daisala or Japti system introduced by Raja Todarmal. Revenue was fixed based on the average yield of the last 10 years. Land classification. Palaj, most fertile, cultivated annually without fallow. Parauti, left cultivated for 1 to 2 years to regain fertility. Chachar, left fallow for 3 to 4 years. Banjar, uncultivated for 5 years or more. The Navaratna's 9 jewels. Birbal, administrator with original name Mahesh Das. Mian Tansen, musician, original name Ramtanu Pandey, belong to Rewa and Gwalior Gwarana. Originally served Raja Ramchandra Singh, composed Drupals and Raya Mian Malhar. Played Rudravina Ruab, title Mayan given by Akbar. Raja Man Singh, Mansubdar General, grandson of Birmal. Abdul Abul Fazl, scholar and statesman, wrote Akbarnama. Faji, poet and scholar, brother of Abul Fazl. Abdul Rahim Khana, statesman and Hindi poet. Mullah Dopiaja, advisor, wit. Fakir Ajay Din, advisor. Raja Toderman, finance minister, Diwan. Architecture and capital shaped. Agra Fort 1565 AD. Lahore Fort 1566 AD. Agra Fort, Lahore Fort. Fatehpur Sikri 1570 AD. Built in honor of Sufi saint Salim Chishti. Capital shifted here from Agra 1571 to 1585. Structure inside. Buland Darwaja 1575 AD. Built to commemorate his victory over the Gujarat expedition. Salim Chishti tomb, built by Akbar but later redone in marble by Jahangir. Other palaces, palaces of Birbal and palaces of Tansen, Akbar's Navratna, are also situated inside Fatehpur Sikri. Panch Mahal, also located in Fatehpur Sikri. Diwani Khas, held a private audience built by Akbar. Buland Darwaja, tomb of Salim Chishti, palace of Birbal. Palace of Tansen, Panch Mahal, Diwani Khas. Allahabad Fort 1585. Allahabad Fort. Timeline of capital shift 1575 Agra to Fatehpur Sikri. 1585 Sikri to Lahore. 1598 Lahore to Agra. Literature and translation. Akbarnama, biography of Akbar written by Abul Fazl in 3 parts. Ancestor of Akbar, region of Akbar. Ain-e Akbari, administration, inspired by Sher Shah Suri. Translation department called Muktab Khana. Important translator, Ramayana translated to Persian by Abdul Qadir Badauni. Mahabharata translated Persian as Rajam Nama by Faji and Badayani. Lilavati by Bhaskaraya Chara translated to Persian of Faji. Jahangir 1605 to 1627 AD. Introduction. Original name Nur-Uddin Muhammad Salim, Prince Salim. Mother Harkabai. Justice. Establish Jahangir-e-Adal chain of justice at Agra Fort for seekers of royal justice, known for strict administration of justice. Birth 1569 AD. Died 1627 AD. Personal life. Wives Munhawati Bai, Kuchwaha Princess. Mahati Bai, Jagat Gosai, Rathore Princess. She gave birth of Prince Khurram Shahjahan. Meher Unnisa, Nur Jahan, widow of Sher Afghan, Persian nobleman of Bengal. Married Jahangir in 1611 AD. Title Bedshah Begum. She exercised tremendous influence over state affairs. Jahangir used silver coin in her honor. Important event. Sikh relation. Executive 5th Sikh Guru Arjan Dev becomes the gave refuge to Jahangir rebellion son Prince Khusru. Mewar. Amar Singh of Mewar accepted Jahangir's suzerainty. Revolt. Faced revolt from his son Shahjahan and commander Mahabad Khan. Ahmednagar. Captured a port of Ahmednagar. Malik Akbar caddied the territory of Balaghat. British arrival 1608 AD. Villain Wakids. East India Company visited, given a mansub of 4000 1615 AD, Sir Thomas Roe, ambassador of King James I, visited. Outcome: granted permission to establish a port in Surat. Architecture: Tomb of Itimat ud Dawla, Agra, built by Nur Jahan for her father. First use of Petra Dwara decoration. Moti Masjid, built in Lahore. Jahangir's tomb, located in Shahadara, Lahore. Shahadara of Narmada, centrally protected monument of India. It is situated in Punjab, constructed under the patronage of Nur Jahan. Moti Masjid, Jahangir's tomb, Sarai Narmahal. Ittimat ud Dawla. Literature: autobiography Tujuk-e-Jahangiri, Persian. Biography Iqbalnama Jahangiri by Muttamid Khan. Shah Jahan, 1628 AD to 1658 AD. Introduction. Original name Prince Khurram. Mother Jagat Gosai, daughter of Raja Uday Singh. He is best known for his Deccan and foreigner policies. Region marked the pinnacle of the Mughal dynasty, known as the Golden Age for architecture. Foreigner traveler Barnier, French physician, wrote the travel in the Mughal Emperor. Tavernier, French jeweler, wrote travelers in India. Peter Mundi described the famine during his reign. Niccolò Munacci, Italian. Administration and conquest. New admin unit introduced Golka, Chalka, placed between Subha and Pargana. Hierarchy Subha, Chakla, Pargana. Military 1632 defeat Portuguese. 1637 complete annexed Ahmednagar. Architecture: The Building King, Taj Mahal, Agra, built 1632 to 1653 in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Arjuman Banu Begum, who died in 1631. Chief Architecture Ustad Ahmad Lahari. UNESCO's site, declared UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. Popularized Petra Dwara, stone inlay work. The art decoration called Petra Dwara became popular during the reign of Shah Jahan. Red Fort, Delhi, built when capital shifted from Agra to Delhi, 1638. Diwani Am, hall of public audience. Diwani Khas, hall of private audience. Diwani Azam, Diwani Khas. Peacock Throne, Takat-e-Taus, made by Exo 1100 kg gold and Kohinoor diamond. Fate, looted by Nadir Shah, 1739 AD. Moti Masjid, Agra Fort, made of marbles. Musamman Burj, Jasmine Tomar in Agra Fort. Shesh Mahal, Palace of Mirror. War of Succession and End of Reign. Her apparent Shahjahan favored his eldest son Dara Shikoh and gave him the title Shahzada-e Buland Iqbal, Prince of High Fortune. The conflict 1657 war broke out among sons Dara Shikoh, Aurangzeb and Murad Bakhsh. Victory Aurangzeb won in July 1658. Imprisonment. Shahjahan was imprisoned in Agra Fort, Musamman Burj, where he died in captivity in 1666 AD. Burial next to Mumtaz Mahal in Taj Mahal. Literature: Badshah Nama, written by Abdul Hamid Lahiri. Aurangzeb and later Mughals. Aurangzeb and later Mughals. Aurangzeb 1658 to 1707 AD. Aurangzeb was known for his orthodox nature. War of Succession. In 1658 AD, Aurangzeb defeated his elder brother Dara Shikoh, who was supported by Jaswant Singh in the following battles. Battle of Dharmat, 1658, Aurangzeb won. Battle of Samugar, 1658, decisive victory. Battle of Derai, 1659, Dara Shikoh was finally defeated and executed. After the victory, he was crowded at Delhi and took the title Alamgir, conqueror of the world. Key event and religious policy. Aurangzeb captured and executed 19th Sikh Guru Tegh Bahadur in 1675 AD because he refused to embrace Islam. He reintroduced the jizya tax on non-Muslim in 1679 AD. Jizya had earlier been abolished by Akbar. In 1564 AD, he appointed Muhtasibs, censors of public morals, to enforce Islamic law and check in Islamic practice. He compiled Fatwa-e-Alamgiri, a digest of Muslim laws. He was called Jinda Pir, the living saint, due to his simple lifestyle. Deccan conquest. Aurangzeb moved to Deccan in 1682 AD to control the region, which eventually led the emperor's decline. Annexation. Bijapur annexed in 1686 AD. Golconda annexed in 1687 AD. Death and burial. Died 1707 AD at Devgiri, Aurangabad, present day known as Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. Burial. Buried at Kuldabad near Daulatabad. Regional resistance. Mughal versus rebels. Raja Chatrasal, Bundelkhand region. Early tragedy. Age 12, his father Champat Rai was killed by Mughals near Mahoba during Aurangzeb's time. Chatrasal was only 12 years old at that time. The meeting with Shivaji, aged 20. Young Chatrasal went to court of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He asked for employment at Shivaji's army. Shivaji's advice, Shivaji motivated him, saying, "Go back to your own land and fight for the freedom of your people." Shivaji taught him guerrilla warfare tactics and gifted him a sword. The struggle begins. Age 12, 1671. Chatrasal started his revolt with a tiny army, 5 horsemen, Gutswar, and 25 swordmen. Using guerrilla tactics, he harassed the Mughals so much that they could not catch him. Mughal compromise. 1705 AD. Frustrated, Aurangzeb eventually offered him a mansab of 4,000 to maintain palace. A Bange's invasion of Bajirao, 1728 AD. After Aurangzeb died, Chatrasal declared independence approx 1720. The conflict, the Mughal governor Muhammad Khan Banges attacked Bundelkhand. Despite fighting bravely, the 80 years old Raja Chandrasar was surrounded and forced the retreat to Jaipur. Chatrasal sent a message to Peshwa Bajirao Pratham for help. Bajirao first defeated Banges, who was forced to retreat. The promise never to return. The reward, Raja Chatrasal gave Bajirao 1/3 of his kingdom, Jhansi, Sagar, Kalpi, his daughter Mastani. Battle of Satraghat, the Aham victory. Year 1671 AD. Location, on the bank of the Brahmaputra river, Gomati, Guwahati, Assam. Objective: Mughal wanted to recapture Guwahati. The fight: Mughal led by Raja Ram Singh, Kuchwaha Rajput. Ahom led by legendary Lachit Barphoo Khan. Even though the Mughals had a larger army, Lachit Barphoo Khan used naval tactics and terrain uses effectively. Result: decisive Ahom victory. The Mughals were stopped from expanding into northeast. Mughal architecture: Bibi ka Maqbara, located in Aurangabad, built by Azam Shah Aurangzeb's son, in the memory of his mother Dilras Banu Begum, Rabia Ud Durrani. It was known as the Taj of Deccan. Moti Masjid, Pearl Mosque, Delhi Red Fort, built by Aurangzeb. Later Mughal, the decline. Bahadur Shah Pratham, 1707 to 1712. Other name also known as Shah Ala Pratham or Mujjam. Jahangir Shah, 1712 to 1713. He ascended the throne with the help of the noble Zulfikar Khan. He abolished jizya tax. He introduced Ijaradari system, revenue farming. Farrukhsiyar, 1713 to 1719. He ascended the throne with the help of Sayyid brothers, Abdullah Khan and Hussain Ali Khan. They were also known as kingmakers. In 1770, he issued the Golden Kharnam to British Fast East India Company, granting duty-free trade in Bengal on payment of an annual of 3,000 and permitting company to issue Dastaks trade passes. The Syed brothers killed by him with help of Maratha Peshwa Balaji Vishwanath. Killed him. Muhammad Shah, 1719 to 1748. Original name Roshan Akhtar, known as Ranglila due to his luxurious lifestyle. He killed Syed brothers with the help of Nizamul Mulk. Chin Khalij Khan. Breakup of empire. Independent states. During his reign, governors declared independent. Hyderabad. Founded Nizam-ul Mulk, Chin Khalij Khan. Awadh. Founded by Sadat Khan, Barhan ul Mulk. Nadir Shah invasion, 1739 AD. Nadir Shah, ruler of Iran, invaded India. Battle of Karnal. Muhammad Shah called Nazim ul Mulk and Sadat Khan for help, but they were defeated and captured. Nadir Shah sacked Delhi and took away Peacock Throne and Kohinoor diamond. Ahmad Shah, 1748 to 1754. Faced repeated invasion by Afghans. Ruler Ahmad Shah Abdali. Alamgir II, 1758 to 1759. The famous Battle of Plassey, 1757, was fought during his reign. Shah Alam II, 1759 to 1806. He was blinded by his nobles. Battle of Buxar, 1764. He fought against British and lost. Treaty of Allahabad, 1765. He granted the Diwani right of Bengal to British. Akbar II, 1806 to 1837. He gave the title Raja to the social reformer Ram Mohan Roy. Bahadur Shah II, 1837 to 1857, known as Bahadur Shah Jafar, the last Mughal ruler. He was deported after revolt of 1857 and sent to Rangoon. Administration and architecture. Administrative division. Suba, headed by Subedar Nizam. Sarkar district headed by Fazdar. Pargana taluka headed by Sikdar and Amil. Gram village headed by Mugaddam. Mukadam. Suba Sarkar Pargana Grama. Key officer Mir Salam, and in charge of the royal household. Mir Bakshi, head of the military department. Diwan, head of revenue administration. Fauzdar, maintain law and order. Sadar, manage judicial and religious affairs. Alam Gujar, responsible for land revenue collection. Sikdar, police chief at Pargana level. Katwal, chief of city police. Amin, a revenue assessor at the Pargana level. Rajputs and monuments. Rajput relation. Many Rajput kings, particularly those belonging to Amber and Jodhpur, had served under the Mughal with distinction. In exchange for their service, they were permitted to enjoy considerable autonomy in their homelands known as Watan Jagirs. Two influential Rajput families claim the Sada Subedari governorship of rich provinces like Gujarat and Malabar. Key Rajput rulers and their position. Raja Ajit Singh, Jodhpur. He had governorship of Gujarat. Savai Raja Jai Singh Ditya Ambe. He was governor of Melba. He founded his own capital of Jaipur. He was given Subedari of Akbar 1722 AD. Monument built by Rajput. Maharangarh Fort. Location it is in Jodhpur, known as the Blue City. Builder built by Rao Jodha, the Rathore ruler of Marwar. Jantar Mantar. Builder built by Savai Jah Singh Ditya of Jaipur. Location he built total 55 Jantar Mantars in Delhi, first to be built. Jaipur, largest UNESCO World Heritage Site. Varanasi, Ujjain and Mathura. Marathas. Maratha Empire. Timeline and overview. The Maratha state 1674 to 1720. The Maratha Confederacy 1720 to 1818. Script. Most Maratha state documented administration papers and literary texts from this era are found in Modi script. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj 1674 to 1680, the founder of Maratha Empire and a legendary warrior. Birth Shivneri Fort in 1730. Father Shahaji Bhosle. Mother Jijabai. Religious teacher Samar Ramdas. Death he passed away 1680. Early conquest and military tactics. First victory at the young age of 16, Shivaji captured the Torana fort. After capturing Torana, he renamed it Prachanda God, meaning massive fort. Shivaji mastered the art of guerrilla warfare, known as Gamini Kava. He used rugged terrain of Sayadri mountains to launch surprise attacks and defeat much larger Mughal armies. Tarana Fort. Major battles and conflicts. Battle of Pratapgarh 1659. The Sultan of Bijapur sent General Afzal Khan to suppress Shivaji's rising power. Afzal Khan was a physically imposing figure who planned to capture or kill Shivaji through treachery. Afzal Khan invited Shivaji for a friendship treaty meeting. Shivaji counter strategy consisting Dangir. Shivaji wore iron armor and an iron cape under his clothes. He concealed a weapon called Wagnak, tiger claws, in his left hand. When they embraced, Khan tried to stop Shivaji. Shivaji's armor saved him, and he used Wagnak Bagnak, Dizem of Afzal Khan. The Maratha army, hidden in the dense forest, attacked and defeated leadership Bijapur troops. Conflict with Shastra Khan, 1660 to 1663, who was Shastra Khan, Aurangzeb's maternal uncle, Mama, and Mughal governor of Deccan. He captured Pune and set the camp in Lal Mahal, Shivaji's childhood name. Surgical strike 1663. Shivaji disguised his soldiers as marriage princess procession to infiltrate Pune. They enter Kitchen and Lal Mahal at night. Shivaji attacks Shaistra Khan directly. Khan tried to escape through a window but lost 3 fingers and attack. Result: Shaistra Khan survived but fled in fear humiliation. Sack of Surat 1664. The replenished his treasury. Shivaji plundered the wealthy Mughal port city of Surat. Treaty of Purandar 1665. Aurangzeb appointed Raja Rai Singh Pratham of Amber to lead a campaign against Shivaji. Shivaji was forced to sign treaty and agreed to surrender 23 out of 35 forts in Mughals. Agra visit escape 1666. Shivaji visited Aurangzeb's court in Agra but was insulted and imprisoned. He famously escaped later that year. Bilong says by hiding a baksak of sweets. Battle of Selhar 1672. This was a furious open battle where Maratha forces led by Shivaji, commanded by Pratap Rao Gujjar, Maropat Pingal, defeated Mughal army. Coronation 1674 at Raigad Fort, he assumed the title Chhatrapati. Administration and revenue system. The Ashtapradhan system, Council of 8 Ministers, Peshwa, Prime Minister, headed by administration, Amatya, Finance Minister, manage treasury, Mantri, Nakib Navis, Interior Minister, Intelligence Home, Sachiv, Sur Navis, Secretary, Draft Royal Order, Samit, Foreign Minister, Diplomacy, Senapati, Commander-in-Chief, Military Campaigns, Pandit Rao, High Priest, Religious Affair, Nayar Diksha, Chief Justice, Judicial Matter, Revenue System, Taxation. Marathas collect specific taxes for territories outside their direct control. Swaraja, Koch, meaning one-fourth, rate 20% of the land revenue. Purpose: it was protection tax. Territory paid this to avoid Maratha raids. Sardex Musi, rate in addition 10% tax imposed on top of Chowd. Purpose: collect in areas where Marathas claim hereditary rights, Sardeshmukhi, or where their troops were stationed. Successor of Shivaji, Chhatrapati Sambhaji, 1681 to 1689, eldest son of Shivaji and Sabai. Succession: he defeated his brother Rajaram to claim the throne. Achievement: raid on Burhanpur. He successfully attacked and raided Burhanpur. He fought against Portuguese and captured Goa and Konam region from them. He gave shelter to Aurangzeb's rebellion son Prince Akbar. He enraged Aurangzeb, leading to Sambhaji's capture and brutal execution. His wife Yasubai and son Sahu were imprisoned. Chhatrapati Rajaram 1689 to 70. He was son of Shivaji and Sarabai. He succeeded the throne with the help of minister at Rajgarh. He created a new post, Pratinidhi. Total number of ministers now 9. Pratinidhi plus Ashtapradhan. He died in Satara, which became capital after the fall of Gingi to Mughal, 1698. Tarabai 17,000 to 1707. Wife Rajaram. Reason for his son Shivaji II. Less resistance against Mughals. Shahuji 1707 to 1749. Son of Sambhaji, released by Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Pratham. Battle of Khet 1707. Shahu defeated Tarabai with the help of Balaji Vishwanath to claim the throne. The Peshwa era. Balaji Vishwanath 1713 to 1720. First Peshwa became the first Peshwa in 1713. Career. Began as a small revenue officer. Given title Senakerta, maker of the army by Shahu in 1708. Bajirao Pratham 1720 to 1740. Lineage, eldest son of Balaji Vishwanath. He never lost a single battle in his entire life. Victory. Defeated Nizamul Mulk or Asaf Jah first Nizam of Hyderabad. Treaty of Daroha Sarai, signed with Jai Singh after defeating a combined force of Nizam, Awadh and Rajputs. Raid to Delhi. Raid Delhi in 1737. Capture Besuin. Capture Besin from Portuguese 1739. Legacy. The concept of Maratha Confederacy emerged during his tenure. Balaji Bajirao, Nana Saheb 1740 to 1761. Third Battle of Panipat 1761. Maratha led by Sadashivrao Bhau. Afghans led by Ahmad Shah Abdali. Durrani Empire supported by Najib Uddin Daula. Rohilla and Sujauddin Daula Awadh. Result, the Marathas lost. It was known as one of the deadliest wars in the world. Maratha Confederacy. The empire was split into 5 powerful houses: Holkar of Indore, Peshwa of Pune, Sindhis of Gwalior, Bhosle of Nagpur, and Gaukades of Baroda. House of Bhosla, Nagpur. Peshwa dominion, Oath puppet, Bengal Suba, Mughals. House Gaikwad of Baroda. Peshwa of dominions. Anglo-Maratha Wars. First Anglo-Maratha War 1775 to 1782 caused internal conflicts. Raghunath Rao, brother of Balaji Bajirao, wanted to become Peshwa. Opposition. Nana Fadnavis, finance minister, opposed him. Events. Raghunath Rao Singh Treaty of Surat 1775, later Treaty of Purandar 1776 with British for support. British were defeated initially and signed Treaty of Wadgaon 1779. British attacked again under Warren Hastings and defeated Marathas. Conclusion. Treaty of Salbai 1782 was signed at the end. Second Anglo-Maratha War 1808 to 1809. British leadership. Deccan led by Arthur Wellesley. North India led by General Lake. Cause. Bajirao II signed a subsidiary alliance with British. Treaty of Bassein 1802. Outcome war won by British. Treaties. Treaty of Diogan 1803 with Bhosle after Battle of Argonne. Treaty of Rajghat 1805 with Holkar. Gain. Cuttack was acquired by Britishers. Third Anglo-Maratha War 1817 to 1818, also known as Pindhari War. Pindharis were tribal people who supported Marathas. Treaty of Mandsaur 1818 signed between British and Holkar chief. Result. From 1818 Peshwaship was abolished. Bajirao II was captured and sent to Bithor Kanpur. छत्रपति शिवाजी संभाजी महाराज, छत्रपति राजाराम ताराबाई, छत्रपति शाहू महाराज शिवाजी. बालाजी विश्वनाथ, बाजीराव प्रथम, बालाजी बाजीराव, रघुनाथ राव, विश्वराव, माधवराव, नारायण राव. एंड सवाई माधवराव बाजीराव। देयर इज ए एंड, यहाँ होता है मिडिवल हिस्ट्री कंप्लीट। इसे आप रिपीट करो।